Our love is fading, so understand why I'm caving. Time might fix this brokenness. As for you and I've never been good with goodbyes.
Yeah, I've never been good with goodbyes. Funny you can't even look me in the eyes. I've apologized a million times, you won't take up. Guess the only solution for you is to break up. They say it's only human for us to make mistakes, so if I always make them, does that make me inhumane? I call you, I text you, ask you how you're holding up. I try to do the best I can, but baby, I'm still growing up. Yeah, there's no arguing how I treated you. Called you pretty and did all the things I needed to. It always bothers you that I live such a crazy life. So many things to juggle, I feel like a clown sometimes. Then we scream, yell and shout. Half the time we forget what we're arguing about. You know I'm always sorry cause I'm always acting out. It's raining in your eyes but our love is in a drought.
Our love is fading, so understand why I'm caving. Time might fix this brokenness. As for you and I've never been good with goodbyes.
Then she says, don't give me that excuse. Busyness shouldn't get in the way of the things that we're trying to do. I won't put up with your games anymore, I'm leaving. I don't believe you the way I did before, it's deceiving. I'll be honest, you know I'll miss you, but you gotta realize trust is a major issue. Cheaters don't realize cheating's wrong, not at all. Not until they find out that they have just been cheated on. In the future, maybe we can work when you're not a self-absorbed, egocentric jerk. Or when you finally start to put other people first. Or maybe when you get control of your selfish thirst. Girl, please pick up the phone. I've been thinking about us cause I feel so alone. Yeah, I get it, if you say you wanna be on your own, but I'm hanging unknown on this empty ringtone saying
our love is fading, so understand why I'm caving. Time might fix this brokenness. As for you and I've never been good with goodbyes.
If it turns out that you're really gone, and when I wake up you're not here in the dawn, can I ask one last thing before I'm on my own? I'm begging, will you please pick up the phone before your peace? I just need to hear your voice. The only thing that comforts me is that noise. The last thing I would tell you before you walk out on me, it's that I'm sorry.
Time might fix this brokenness. As for you and I've never been good